So I'm Caroline McVey and I've got the Ribble Valley franchise. We've been running the franchise now for just over 3 years. Prior to this, I'd actually run a chauffeur firm for 16 years. Started young, so I've been in business for quite a long time now.
My name's Eddie and we're based at the TWS Ribble Valley. Before joining TWS, we owned a airport transfer service. Before that, I used to be in the Marines. We looked at various franchises, did our research. There's quite a few to choose from knocking around. But given that I've got quite a passion for cars and my wife does, and when we looked further into it, it looked like a good business model and good setup. We eventually decided to go for TWS as a franchise. A typical day for me would probably be when I get into work, the lads are already in. Because a non-typical day would be me being in at 5 o'clock in the morning to start work when we've got an exceptionally busy day. So I'd usually come in, have a word with the lads, see what's going on, what vehicles have come in, anything I need to know about, whether we've had any emails or phone calls or any customers turning up. Then I usually just make sure everything's going all right, just so I'm kept abreast of what's happening during the day.
My typical working day does have to work around the children. We've got 2 young children at 2 and 4. It's pretty much full on then when I'm in. So I will then, vehicles have already been checked in by the lads. I will then take over, make sure everything's updated on the board, the paperwork's done for it, keys are labelled up, bits and pieces like that. Anybody that's coming in asking for a wheel refurbishment, it's usually my face that they see.
I do a lot of the cutting, so the diamond cutting on site. So I usually make sure the oven's running all right, make sure wheels are going through, everything's going to plan, and then start diamond cutting wheels in the morning. That usually progresses throughout the day. Because we're usually quite busy at the moment, we do quite a lot of wheels. So we've only been going for 3 years. In the afternoon, once all the cutting's done, probably help out with the oven. If any prep needs doing, help out with that too. Make sure all the office is running all right, make sure we do pickups, deliveries, just really everything under the heart of the business. I'll touch base with on a day-to-day basis. And then we start building vehicles up in the evening and then tie it all up and then call it a day.
Yeah, and I tend to work. I like to be out of the doors at 5 o'clock wherever possible. Like I said, just because I've got the kids to pick up and sort out. But they're pretty full on days. I never stop and I'm never sat here twiddling my thumbs. I'm outside dealing with customers. I am out there on the shop floor seeing where we're up to with things. So yeah, they're busy days.
To be fair, working as a couple, it actually works really well between me and Caroline, because even though we're married and we see each other all the time at home, she is primarily running the business in the office.
I do what I do here, Ed's outside on the shop floor doing what he does. People laugh at me when I sometimes say, I haven't really seen Ed this week, and we do. We literally, we're like passing ships sometimes.
But we've always known since we went into this that we both had our strengths and weaknesses and what they were, and how we could capitalise best for our strengths to pull them together to create the business, to move it forward and create what we wanted. And I think we do that quite well.
The most challenging part of my job at present is the fact that I don't just come front of house, I do bookkeeping as well. I'm trying to find the time to do both, especially during the summer months where we're very, very busy. That at the moment is challenging, but of course we're still at a place where we're building up the business after 3 years. I'm hoping that I'm going to get to a point where bookkeeping is going to solely be what I do, and then I just cover holidays in between. But yeah, as the children are getting older and starting at school as well, I'm going to have to try and work it around the school hours. So that's going to be another challenge that's thrown in there, but something that I know we'll be able to oversee and just find a way to work around it. Our work-life balance, it's good. It's good. That's one of the reasons that we opted to get out of the chauffeur business and doing something like this. Monday to Fridays, yes, they're full on. They're very, very busy. We've taken the option as a franchise to open on Saturdays by appointment only, and we tend to do that on a rota basis with all the staff here, so we're not working every single weekend. And some days is family day. We completely switch off. I don't even pick up my phone and check the emails on a Sunday, just because we do want to have that time as family time. So yeah, the balance is really good, really good.